Well, we're going to be talking about Tropical Storm Nicole and severe weather potential. So, Tropical Storm Nicole is currently a tropical storm with wind speed of 65 miles per hour and a max of 75. It is expected to be a Category 1 upon landfall in Florida. Now, let me tell you, right now, this is the cone of uncertainty. Whoa. We know it's going to go, but we think it's most likely going to go through there. Now, at 12 a.m. Thursday, November 10th, it will be there. We may or may not be live. So, just want to point that out. It could make landfall in Fort Pierce as a Category 1. There are hurricane warnings, storm surge warnings, and it's going to track on as a tropical storm and hit tropical depression in Maine. Now, let's talk about severe weather potential. So we have a slight risk. Now, this is not going too in-depth, yet again, because I'm releasing this fairly early. Fairly late, and tomorrow it'll be updated. So why get too in-depth? So stay weather aware. Also, 15% chance of severe weather. We will have more later. Guys, watch it. Watch this weather. Seriously. Alright, see you guys. I know I'm cutting it short. We're not going to have the outro on this video or the intro. We'll have it on the next one. So we're just going to do my outroing now. Since why not? So, thing is, you guys are now seeing, we're going to be possibly live for Hurricane Nicole. I am starting to feel horrible right now, so that is why this is a quick video. Click any of the things here, and yeah, I'll see you later.